All right, welcome to fucking tech. And what do we have here today is it's an unboxing, like really late. It's an unboxing of a Dbrand special edition teardown case, grip case for the Pixel 5a 5G. Now this is like a year and a half too late. So anyways, let's get into it. So nice black packaging, and remove the address there. All right, here we go. Nice and disgusting, yucky glue there. Blech. Okay. What do we have? Ooh, little box. It's got nothing else in there. Toss to the side. We got a little cloth. There we go, cloth. We got a nice grip case, grip box with the grip. Ooh, can you focus? Pixel 5a 5G. There we go, grip case. And that's about it. How does it open? Oh, here we go. Woo. Woo. Purchase, delivered, you're welcome. Install, there's only one correct way. dbrand.com/how. All right, that's very cool. Now there is a product description here. Not here, but on the webpage, it says some companies treat consumer exploitation like a business model. Others stash their profits in offshore tax havens. The truly evil megacorps maintain their control over society using the invisible hand of commerce. In addition to these achievements, we engineered a perfect phone case. You should buy it. All right. So I did. Okay, how do we open this? I obviously did not open this before. We push it. How do I open this? How do I install if I can't open? Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh. All right, this is the grip case, and this is the teardown edition, which has a decal you stick to it with the picture of the insides of your phone. Okay, here we go. This is the decal for the Pixel 5a. So basically, you stick this on your grip case, and it looks like your phone is unlidded, delidded. So decal right there, that's good. So we're gonna have to put that on in a separate video. Grip case. Ooh, this is my first time. Ooh, nice velour in the back there. Sort of velour in the back of the case, and then the grip. It's like rough sand. It's weird, but it's good. All right, very obvious buttons here. Little grips on the side. Grip case. Yeah, I guess this could work. So basically, this is the unboxing of the Dbrand teardown edition of the Pixel 5a grip case. There's nothing else in there, so we got decal, the grip case, which is very stiff. And it says Dbrand in the bottom there. Yes. And I think that's pretty much it. It's not a product, it's a culture. Oh. There you go. Splay it out there. There you go. All right, now we're going to try to install the decal of the teardown edition of the Pixel 5a grip case. And we got the grip case down on the back. We're gonna put the decal in there, and it's gonna be a challenge because, oh great, because I'm doing it while having the camera overhead and the microphone on my face. Oh god. And I didn't take off the other part for the lens. Okay, let's just go. Doesn't seem too bad. Okay, now I need to, according to Dbrand, I need to do like this. Like this. Then apply it here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, am I straight? Oof. I don't know. Ooh, this is touchy, man. Oh God. I think there's no miracles to be had here. Now, it's said to do it like this for the other part to align the bottom. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that seems reasonable. I feel like it's gonna make like a bubble or something over here. Okay, how about I pull it back up top there? Huh. Tricky stuff. Okay, this is a little bit tricky at the top there. Okay, I need to maybe pull this. Okay, yeah. Pull that like that. I need to maybe... Oh, okay, here we go. Masterful technique. Okay. I think this is the most important part. Once we get that, I think the rest will be pretty fine. This doesn't seem super right. So, it's okay. I guess it's okay. Okay, not too bad. Flipping it upside down. Now, are things gonna align? Ooh. I have a feeling this is... Oh, okay, this is getting pretty stuck there. Okay, I think that's reasonable. Okay, and I think it's fairly good. It's a little bit out of line on the bottom here. Oh no, it's getting stuck. Ah! Okay, here we go. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay. Aligning it a little bit here. Okay, I guess it's fine. It's going to the left a bit. Okay, this is not super easy or great. Let's try it like this. Okay. Oh, there's like bubbles. Oh, what's gonna happen there? Okay, not too bad. All right. Still tilting to the left here. I want you to the right, like this. See, there's bubbles. What am I gonna do with this? No choice but to pull that. Put it to the right. Okay, I think that'll have to be it. Now my paper's stuck. My paper's stuck! God. Okay, here we go. Do we have it? Yes. Yes. We shall use the microfibre. The brand. Ooh, rub it out. Oh, yes. Rub it out. Ooh. I like that, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, there's a little bubbles there. Oh. Fairly good. All right. Okay. I mean, it's... You're trying to get some style points for making your phone look like it's broken, so I don't know. All right, that's the biggest part that needed to be done. So that's good. I think we got it. All right. So I got my teardown grip case for my Pixel 5a. Yes. All right, now we need to install the lens cover, lens decal that goes over the lens. So this is a little bit tricky because I still have the overhead camera and the microphone on my face that prevents me from seeing well. So I need to install that little decal over here. So that should be fairly easy. I don't know if I need to do the same decal trick there by doing this type of thing. Okay. It's not really useful. Okay, let's go maybe like this. Okay, like this. Needs to go up a little bit. Okay. Seems reasonable. That seem good? Seems fairly good. Okay. I think that's good. Let's go with the microfibre. All right. Close-up shot of any mistakes. All right, that's fairly good. So now let's put it into the case. Now, in this case, I installed the wireless charger. So the phone doesn't have wireless charging. So I'm putting that into the case so I can wireless charge the phone. So let's put that in there. Seems to fit. Let's push it down. All right. No. Okay, don't press the power button. Okay, let's try that again. Push that there. Push that in the bottom there. All right. Here we go. All right. So I got the top. There we go. It's in. So it doesn't, the lip doesn't really protect the screen. I think that's by default with the case as before even inserting the wireless charging pad there. So obviously I'm going to change my screen. My screen protector is going to be changed. So this is the grip case with with the teardown decal fully installed. So there we go. There we go. That's what it looks like. So now my phone looks broken. And why did I do this? All right. So there we go. Dbrand grip case with teardown decal. Okay, now what do I do with this nice box now that my grip case is installed?
FuckingTech.com